Alright, good morning people. Oh wait there, why are we frozen? Now we've gone. Well, you can hear me, but you can't see me. Give me 2 seconds, guys. Wait there. Alright, let me see if this is working, guys. Alright. Hello, hello, testing, testing. Are we working? Hello, hello, testing. Yep, cool, cool, cool. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Alright. What's going on, people? Welcome back. Happy Monday, everyone. Happy Monday. I was just about to take this little 5 flip. Alright. Where are we? What's going on, Zoom guys? Welcome back. Let me just get everyone in here. Good morning, everyone. Alright, cool. I forget what I was in. Alright, good morning, everyone. Welcome back. Yeah, Aaron, hey, what's going on, AJ? There was a... I didn't get it because I was trying to fix this OBS stream. There was a very easy 5-minute flip just a second ago. After you grab these 5-minute highs, push down, you're going to come and fill in that wick. And that wick fill alone was like 40 ticks, which was insane. And I completely missed it because I was trying to set up this stream. It literally would have been the quickest 40 ticks ever. It's crazy. Let me get this up here. But we fixed the screen today. We've got a proper big size screen today, so it looks a bit better. Let me go on. Where are we? Morning team, come on, man. Yeah, you had a nice push down from about 5. No, I mean it's more so a London trade, but yeah. 520, 525, you had some amazing shorts on gold. You wicked the highs. Probably maybe getting the breakout here. NQ almost minus 6%. Yeah, it's crazy, man. It's crazy, crazy, crazy. Crazy stuff. Big push down in Asia as well. Loads of volume today here. Yeah, this 5-minute flip was so simple. This 5-minute flip was just very textbook. Just grab the highs, close bearish. You were going to come down and re-grab that low. And that 1 5-minute candle there, that was literally... You could have got 27 ticks so easily. So I was so annoyed I didn't get to get that trade because it was literally a textbook setup. It was just a crazy amount of volume. A crazy amount of volume. Yeah, insane volume, man. Yeah, insane. Well, that's the thing. I was looking at this 5-minute. I've literally just jumped on. I was looking at this 5-minute. And I was like, well, what do you have down into lows? And I measured it. I was like, wait, what? I was like, I measured. I was like, what? That's 30 ticks into them lows. I was like, that's crazy. And that 5-minute came down like almost 50 ticks, which is ridiculous for one 5-minute candle. Scalp 30. Yeah, nice, 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 nice. Yeah, it was a very Very, very nice setup there. What time is it? 53. Oh my god. That's insane. Look at that. So we've almost wiped out all of 2024 gains. Look at that. But to be fair, you know, the stock market was up, what, like over 20% or something this year? It goes up average 10% a year. So to be up 20% a year was pretty crazy anyway. So we were up almost 30%. And then since July, we've now dropped 16%. Which is crazy. But this is good. This is good. Good for us. Yeah, what's Bitcoin? I saw it came back down to the 60s. I saw we came back down to the 60s. Yeah, sorry, 55s. Oh no, yeah, 60s. So yeah, it's last time I watched it. I looked at it on, yeah, Saturday. Smashed through 60s. Now we're back down to 55s. Look at that, crazy, 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 crazy. What time is it? Everyone in here? Almost, almost, almost. 15 pushing down pretty hard here as well. 30-minute pushing down hard as well. Everything pushing down hard. Yeah, having some big pushes down so far this morning. Just letting everyone join in here. Let me just have a quick look at the news for the week. Last 5-minute flip. Yeah, good job, man. Yeah, 5-minute flip was beautiful, man. I wanted the exact same. I was too busy setting shit up. Kind of annoying because it was, yeah, it was ridiculously easy. 70 plus ticks. If you got 50 of it, that's amazing, man. That's amazing. There's so much volume here. So news-wise today we have we got PMI 3 PM London time. We got no news tomorrow. We got no news on Wednesday. Thursday you got unemployment claims, and that is literally it. That is it. What do I think about fair value upside? I don't trade fair value upside. I think absolutely nothing about it. We're already off to a good start this morning, aren't we? Let me get up everything here. Why can I not open this? There we go. Oh, she's fired up. There we go. That's the noises we like to hear. What time is it? All right, 57. I think everyone's here. Just waiting for everyone to join in, then we'll start doing our top down. See what we got going on for the week. 100 cool. See what we got for the week. We got lots of volume. That's what we got so far. I can actually candles now. And we're gonna get this hourly close in 3 minutes as well. 3 minutes. Asia had a big push up. Big push up. Owly had one big massive fake out, bottom wicked, and just pushed. Solid Owly fake out as well. Big one, look at that. There's your major resistance, broke above support, broke below, broke straight back above. Well, there's your buy opportunity. So Asia did actually have some nice buys around 3 AM ish. Some nice buys.
Recording in progress.
Oh shit, the screen's just fallen down. That's not good. It's not a good start. It's either not a good start or not a good sign. There we go. Alright, let's do it. Let's do our top down analysis here for the day on Goldie. Let's have a look. Good morning, man. So we'll start off on the weekly here on gold. Obviously, last week on gold we have closed. What have I just done? I just messed up my levels. What have I just done there? Last week on gold we closed very bullish. We closed bullish above all of this massive resistance. That is the first time we've actually closed above this huge level. And now you can kind of see gold's come all the way back down, and it's kind of retesting this level already so far. So already this weekly has like a huge candle. This week looks like it's towards the end of the week and it's already formed like 90% of the week's price action, but it's literally 7 AM on a Monday, and it looks like it's literally formed throughout the whole week. So this week on gold, I am looking for gold to overall continue pushing up into these weekly highs all the way back up here. So looking for this weekly to flip bullish, start to break back above these key levels, and then just continue driving up to all-time highs, because you have a lot of liquidity sitting above here. Daily time frame here on gold, not really too much to say. You kind of see on Friday you grabbed the highs, you also grabbed the lows, you held resistance, held support. So nothing really to say on the daily so far, other than you are, obviously very bullish. And these are, these candles are huge. These are huge candles. 4 hourly here on gold. This current 4 hour doesn't have much of a top wick, if any. Is that any top wick? No top wick on this 4 hour, with the previous 4 hour closing bullish. So it's got 3 hours till it's going to close. Could this just be one huge 4 hourly bottom wick to then start wicking back above and driving much higher? Very possible. The fact there's no top wick on this 4 hourly makes me think that you could actually start to see this push higher and re-grab these highs. Unless you get like a 4 hourly fake out, but that's 3 hours away. I'm not trying to predict a 4 hourly fake out that's over 3 hours away. So previous 4 hour was strong, retracing some of this big NFP sell-off we had on Friday as well, with some decent liquidity back to the upside. Hourly has just closed bearish. Nasdaq, bro. Right, you're getting in the waiting room. I'm trying to break down gold and you're saying fucking Nasdaq. You can see you later. And now you're spamming Nasdaq. Yeah, see you later, man. You're going. Now you won't get either. Idiot. Fucking spamming Nasdaq. I'm breaking down gold. Now I've lost my train of thought because of you. Hourly here has closed bearish here on gold. So you're going to need to come down and at least re-grab these lows anyway. So there may have been a short opportunity on that little top wick. You're going to have to at least come down and re-grab these lows. 30 minutes actually about to fill it in. 17 ticks away. Yeah, it's not worth it now. 17 ticks away into it now. But yeah, you're going to very likely come down and re-grab these lows. And it'll be interesting to see if you're going to hold this support and start to retrace this move up here on gold. So for now, gold to come down and squeeze out these lows a little bit more, and then potentially start to retrace, unless the hourly just closes, aggressively bearish. Then you can just keep selling into, these areas down here. But yeah, it looks like we're gonna just come down and grab it. Let me just drop down to the 5. Yeah, it's too close to it now. Probably could even see gold come back down into this area down here. Could see gold come back down into there. That's probably quite far away. Yeah, 40 ticks away. So this hourly bottom wick could tap into these regions before potentially seeing that push higher. Yeah, 30's re-grabbing the lows now as well. That was quite nice. That was quite a nice little 30 wick fill there. Once you come close to it, you're always gonna refill it in. Yeah, 15 push down is about 60 ticks. 60 ticks. But so far today, yeah, that's probably been the cleanest sell to me here 645 has probably been the cleanest sell. So if we can get another setup that looks similar like that, with a decent stop loss, that'd be great. Jumping in shorts here to come and fill in these lows. Well, where's your stop going to go? You can't have it above these highs. You're just going to go 3 equal highs here now. And you're just regrabbing hourly lows with no top wick on the 4 hour. You know, even if gold was going to have a big sell-off, you'd probably come back up into these regions first anyway, before seeing that dip back down. And you know, up into there is like over 100 plus ticks, which is huge. So you wouldn't want to miss that. You wouldn't want to miss that. I wonder if you can. I wonder if you can mute them noises on MetaTrader, like the startup noise and all that stuff. I don't know if you can. Decent 5-minute closure there. If that flips bearish, what did you have? You have about 30 ticks. Only concern with this one is now there's nowhere to manage risk. So I wouldn't take this one because there's nowhere to manage risk. If you take the break of this low here, so you're in from here, your stop would probably have to go here. That's a 70 tick stop loss. That's a very large stop loss. Just to try and see if you can squeeze out these lows. That's a terrible risk reward. Magic noise sometimes annoying. Yeah, it is annoying. Yeah, I don't know if you can mute it. I feel like you probably can. Tools, options, events tab. Tools, options, events. Enable sound events. There you go. I don't know if that'll do it, but we'll try. Let me see if I just put in an order. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, let's get rid of it. Nice. There you go. But yeah, no real scheduled news this week anyway. Obviously, we've had loads of news over the weekend, but no, in terms of the calendar, nothing crazy scheduled in. You know, you got a liquidity low. If you re-break them lows, you could spike down about 20-30 ticks maybe. And we are also re-grabbing them previous hourly lows. I mean, if this 5-minute closes doji, the next 5-minute grabs the highs and then re-breaks the lows, then that would be a better setup because then you have a valid stop loss. Kind of like this one. You grab the lows, close doji, grab the highs and close bearish. You short from here, you got a valid stop loss above that high, and you get that scalp down into that support. Was that the same one Alad got? I just saw it before I jumped on. Where did you get that on? Was that on? On the 1 minute. Oh, 1 minute, look at that. 1 minute snipe. Minute trying to come up a little bit more here. So we get up top step here. 32% people long, 68% people still short on top step. 5 minutes about to close. Hopefully doji. Hopefully doji, grab the highs and then re-break the lows. That would be ideal. That would be ideal. What are my spreads like with this crazy volume? Yeah, pretty high. 2 to 2, 2 to 3. Very high. Very high spreads on Blueberry this morning. That's the thing about the FX side is when there's crazy volume like this, the spreads go higher on the CFD side, but on the future side, the execution will be better. Yeah, crazy close, man. Yeah, crazy push down. It's good though. It's good to see. All these pushes down give us, in the long run, great buying opportunities. Yeah, loads of liquidity below. Yeah, I agree, man. I agree. I want to short into it, but I just need to get into a place where we can get a valid stop. Like if we grab these highs here and then re-break these lows, we can look for some sells. We do have to remember what we said earlier, that this could just be re-grabbing out lows to push higher. And all that is just a 5 minute level. So it's, 5 minute level on the hourly chart doesn't really have too much of an impact, but you still, if you come back down to the closable, then you are going to grab it. So you wouldn't be jumping in shorts from here. You're going to start shorting it if you come near it. Yeah, I mean, honestly, just a grab of any previous high is good enough for me. Like I say, that's why these shorts here were so nice here, because you had a valid stop because the previous candle grabbed the previous high. You grabbed the previous high, you had a level of liquidity to come and grab, and you end up having some support down here, and you'd been bearish on the day. And in that 1 5 minute, that was 45 ticks in that 1 5 minute, which is crazy. Crazy. So yeah, grab these 5 minute highs, and then you can maybe look for a sell somewhere. Maybe even on the break of the previous 5 body. What would that give you? Yeah, about 30 ticks. Very nice. Very nice. If you take on the break of the low, you get 15, 20. Remember, you still could come down to this area. Took the short, locked my account after. Yeah, good man. Yeah, good job, Dan. It was a beautiful short, man. It was a very, very nice short. It was really nice, man. It was a great trade. Yeah, you're probably going to re-break them lows now on gold. Yeah, very likely. It's a shame we didn't grab the highs, because otherwise you could be looking at something like this now. See if you can get this spike lower. Because you didn't grab the highs, there's stop loss here is very risky. But it's a very nice double bottom now if you come down to re-break this current low. If you did come down to re-break this current low, what would you be talking? Yeah, you should get a 20 pretty easy. 20, 35. 40 above the current high though, that's the only thing. It's the last 5 of the 15 as well. 15 is still going to close bearish here by the looks of this. We'll wait till it closes, but it's 15. 15's about to close bearish again. Haven't grabbed any 15 highs for quite some time now. So we are getting a little bit overextended as well. Selling it down here can get risky. Can get risky because it's a big level of 30 support. Yeah, all of this. It's a huge area. Huge area. But if you re-break this current 5 minute low on gold, there's a high chance you will just keep pushing down. If you were looking at like about there, here, that low. If you re-break that, you could be good for a push down. I don't have anything about it, guys. I'm just showing for you guys. I mean, if we get next 15 top wick that is a liquidity grab of these highs, then amazing. Then I'll absolutely take it. But if you can re-break that low here, You should be good for a push down. Probably into here. One minute to 15's gonna close. 1 minute. 1 minute. I think this is probably the most volume I've seen on a Monday in a very long time. Like I say, you look at that weekly candle, you would you would be like, oh cool, must be like Friday or something. It's crazy how much price action we've already had today. Like where's market open here? Where's market open? Where? Here. You've had a 250 tick push down. You've had a 360 tick push up, and then another 260 tick push down. Like that's absolutely ridiculous. Yeah, 100%, yeah, 100%, Brett. Most volume across all markets, 100%. See everything getting absolutely smashed is just, yeah, it's crazy. But you know, times of uncertainty can be good for gold. Go on, man.
I just took half risk on NAS, stopped by, and got 122 ticks in 4 seconds. Did my take profit like straight away. I had no idea. Like I thought I entered. It went to 225 in 4 seconds. I thought I accidentally went like full contract size, so I got out of it. It was just 122 ticks.
That's disgusting.
Madness.
It's so ridiculous. It's absolutely insane. It's absolutely insane. Hey, what was one I've been watching? I had an alert on. Oh, it's expired, motherfucker. What was my alert? 24. Yeah, much lower. Fair, decent. Coming into some very, very strong areas. Some very, very strong areas.
What's with that active alert? Told you so, Chow.
That's when Bitcoin goes to 10k. I have a reminder to tell Chow when it goes to 10k, just to let him know. Yeah, look at Bitcoin. Holy shit! This is good for us though. This is great. You got to remember, don't be scared by this. This could give us some incredible opportunities. This is where most people be extremely fearful. Yeah, this is amazing, man. This is amazing. This is some opportunities you might not see for a long time. Look at Ethereum back down at what? Back below 2,500 since the start of the year. This is huge. You buying some more? Yeah, I'll buy some when it goes to 10k, man. I told you. When we go to 10k, I'll buy some. I'm still watching gold here on the futures, guys. Not really doing too much just yet. I want to see more of a 15 top wick. Yeah, honestly I don't think I've ever seen these markets. Yeah, that's true. Let's have what's GG up to. I want to look at some currency pairs. Oh my god. To be fair, GG's been selling off since what? July? That's ridiculous. That's absolutely insane. That's absolutely insane. I know, was it AUD/USD? Was that some crazy lows as well? Australian dollar? No, was it AUD/yen? It might have been AUD/yen. Oh yeah, it was yeah, ridiculous highs, like ridiculous highs. Highs from like 2007. Look at that. I grabbed highs to 2007. Stupid sell-off. The long way down. Yeah, I agree, man. I agree. I think all these yen pairs do. Let's have a look at gold. What's gold up to? Top wicket now. Rebreaking their previous 5 lows. Yeah, being back at highs of what? Levels from 2008. It's absolutely insane. Absolutely insane. There you go. So you rebroke them lows. You're having that push down. If you guys did take that sell, that's the sell I'm talking about. I didn't take it. I wanted more of a 15 top wick. But that's what I'm saying. You re-break these lows, you're going to have that push. So the break of them lows, you are already up about 35 ticks. 35 ticks. What is it? What is the ticker for the Nikkei? Here. Oh my god. It's absolutely insane. Absolutely insane. Ooh. Did anyone take that? Well, as much probably did anyone take that gold, a little gold scalp on the break of the previous lows? If you did, you'd want to be securing, because this could be grabbing previous 15 lows to create more of a top wick. What did you hit? Yeah, here around 30 ticks have been like 2 minutes. Will it affect us? I mean, yeah, it will definitely affect us. Just markets were trading. But will it stop us from trading? Absolutely not. No. Yeah, not much of a top wick here. It was a tiny, tiny little one. That's why this big push down here, it's kind of hard to sell it now. He's already had kind of the big push down. 15 still pushing lower. Yeah, good chance of a trace. Yeah, there is. It would need to show me a lot more than that, though. You know, this is heavily bearish. This is another 90 tick push down in the past like 10 minutes, 15 minutes or something. Yeah, I'll have a look at UJ in a second, man. Yeah. Let's see, we're very, very bearish. 15 also closed below the previous low. Tiny little top wick. It's still pushing down. That's why if you take the break of lows, it doesn't really matter where you top wick. Who cares? You break the lows, you break the lows. Just take the short. That's why you're still pushing down. Look at this, what a push. Crazy push. And quick as $50 with this volume. Yeah, nice. Yeah, yeah. I mean, I would have just secured in that 1 5 minute, to be honest. As soon as you start grabbing these lows at like 25 in probably like what, not 1 or 2 minutes. Yeah, I'm not looking for a, yeah, I'm not looking for a push up. Yeah, this is honestly all you want though is what you had here at 640. That's all you need. You just want another one of them, and you can keep selling it all the way down to here and here. You just ideally want that. Like even if you like, as soon as you take this one, as soon as it starts like just tapping out a little bit, you gotta be very aggressive managing risk. Because if you just grab these lows and retrace, if it grabs lows and smashes it with that volume, look at that, it's crazy. 30 ticks. But where would you have managed the risk? What, 45s? That one I would have taken the sell here on that little top wick. Stop loss above that high. Yeah, honestly, just taking that, to be honest. As soon as you grab the highs and close bearish, you're going to fill in that wick. So yeah, you just want to be shorting that one. You want this one to close, because once you grab the highs and close bearish, well, you're like, oh, cool, you're going to grab them lows. But otherwise, you know, if you were just looking at just this, you would actually be looking for some longs. You'd be looking for some longs once you close back above a level. However, once you then grab the highs and close bearish, you're like, oh cool, now you're going to come and fill it in. And then same as here, it looks like you're going to find some support. You have to close above something, you don't just jump off jump longs of 1 5 minute objection. Once you come down, you grab the lows, you don't short this one, but once this one kind of creates this nice little top wick, closes bearish, you can be shorting this one as well. This one, shorting this one. $30 minutes, very bearish here on gold, very, very bearish. Very bearish. And I think you're gonna spike down more. I really want to see a liquidity grab like this. We haven't had many today, but it was very nice. Yeah, Asia lows. Yeah, it looks like it. Looks like it could be coming down for. I mean, I still believe you could probably retrace before coming this low, but obviously you do have that liquidity down there. But I think you could pull back before that. Because as soon as you start coming into these areas here, you know, although there is a high chance that we're going to grab these lows and most people will be jumping longs, that's very true, but it is also that strong of a level that you could still see, like, you know, a 50, 60 tick bounce from this level before doing that. You know, the way we trade, we're like, okay, cool, anyone jumping along here, stop loss below there? Absolutely. That doesn't mean you couldn't do something like this before then doing that. I mean, because there's so much volume here, you know, that retracement, 100 plus ticks. Would we want to miss out on a 100 tick retracement because we want to see these lows grabbed? No, we want to react off this 30 support. Before then, you know, we'll very likely see that dip back down and grab these lows. I'm very surprised actually I watched NFP on the first initial reaction of the news, and then I was very surprised to see that we actually ripped up. We tapped into that big resistance here, and then actually massively sold off again. I only just watched this one. Then by the time I checked it later on, we were all the way down here. I was like, holy shit. That was a crazy drop. It looks like we're just continuing to sell that off as well. But remember, you know, when you get all these crashes in every other markets, you know, gold's always that safe haven. Like, where was the C word back in 2020? Well, look what gold did. This is while all markets were getting absolutely smashed. Gold had beautiful pushes up. Same as all the war news as well. This was all war news. Gold's always that safe haven. Where was the still little crashes? Even in 2008, still a little crash, but still beautiful push up overall. Yeah, if this weekly can flip bullish this week, yeah, we're going to be in for some pretty big trades here on gold. But this is good, you know, we're into August. What is it, August the 5th? August is typically a slow month, but if we continue getting stuff like this, this is great. If this weekly re-breaks the highs, you're going to have a 250 tick push higher. Three minutes until this 30 is going to close. Trying to create a nice little 5-minute morning star here. Yeah, NQ sold IP, yeah. Yeah, it did massively. Where was it? Friday. No, wait. Friday here, yeah. Choppy. That was pretty choppy actually. NFP didn't really do too much to Nasdaq. It's today that it did. Three minutes till the 30 is going to close. 3 minutes. To be fair, 30 is still looking aggressively bearish. But like I say, now like I've just said, we're still at that major 30 support. 15 is trying to pull back high here as well. 15's about to close in 2 minutes. Big day today. Big day today. Remember guys, stops are going to be a lot bigger today as well, so if you want to... camera's frozen? Really? Oh no, it is. Why has that happened? Hey John, what's going on, man? Yeah, thanks for letting me know. I don't know why this DJI has been used as a webcam, but like every now and again it will just stop working. Not ideal. One minute here on gold, 1 minute. Yeah, I was just saying, because these moves are very big, stops are also going to be very big. So if you want to use reduced risk, wouldn't be a bad idea, especially if you're trading on a funded account. Yeah, a pullback would be nice, man. I agree. It's kind of hard to sell it here when you've already had a big push down since like 6 a.m. London time. But you know, like I said, we're coming into that major 30 support. 15's about to leave a big wick rejection, failing to look like we're going to close back below these lows. Oh, nah, 15's still kind of bearish actually. Did actually still close below the previous low. 30 still close and bearish. Yeah, I'm not buying gold. I mean, if you can top wick and, you know, re-break some lows, yeah, I could look for some more sells again. Top wick a little bit more, like maybe break of these lows, you can continue pushing down again. Let me just get rid of this little liquidity low now. I would imagine again, because that 30 has closed bearish below the lows, whatever you're going to do here, you're probably going to re-grab the 15 and 30 lows. Even if you're going to see that push up, you're very likely going to re-grab these lows. Look at this 30. Still heavily bearish. So at some point you're going to re-grab these lows. So the more there's top wicks, the more you can look for the flip and to see if you can get that 30 wick fill. 50 ticks. It does make me skeptical because, you know, because you have had this push down and you're back into that major support. Look how gross that 4 hour is. So look at that Audi as well. Major Audi support. But if you worry about every other support, you won't execute. So what you can do is execute. If it doesn't work, we'll just wait for higher time frame closes and go again. Well, there you go. Uh, 57% people long on gold, 43% people short on top step. As soon as 5's going to close. This is a decent retracement now. If this 15 can reflip back bearish, you know, it could be nice. So we're looking for that on the 15 to reflip bearish. Come back down to here, talking 60. I'm just gonna wait for this 5 to close though. I don't think you're gonna rip down out of here for nowhere. I want to see this 5 close, see if you respect this high, and then the next 5 to give a top wick, and then you can sell it. But you do also have support here now, which makes sense. The 15's trying to flip bearish here now as well. This is the open of the 15s. Whatever this 5 does is how the 15's looking. Yeah, it's a very nice wick. Yeah, it's a very nice wick. Have my spreads calmed down yet? No, 2 to 3. 2 to 3. How long is this 5 can close? 1 minute. Let's see if this 5 can close. This 5 will be key. See if this 5 can close bullish or bearish. Ideally it closes a bit doji. But if it closes bullish, you'll spike up more. Then my spreads are about 2.5 to 3. The size of it's still very small. When you're talking about a 30 tick move, it doesn't really matter. Yes, no, yeah. Yeah, it's always good to wait for that candle to actually close. So 14 seconds, that's the thing. Gold can do anything. It can look really bullish, like 5 seconds to the close, it can just wick all the way back down and vice versa. Yeah, bullish close, you're going to spike up more here. I mean, if you get bottom wick, you could look for maybe to re-grab them highs. He just closed strong above the previous high, so you may push up a little bit more. And you have to appreciate, you know, we are very likely going to do something like this now. Something like this. For the next however long. Because you've had such a big push up and a big push back down. So re-grabbing the highs there. Yeah, absolutely, man. It really does. It can change. Anything can change the last couple of seconds. But to be fair, you still do have that 30 flip. You know, if this 30 does still flip bearish, you do still have that to re-grab the lows, remember? You can also just wait for that. Flip bearish into the lows, you got 50, 60 ticks. Because you came, this is kind of your range in here. You come up, you grab the highs of the range, or could you come back down and grab the lows of the range? Maybe come back down into these areas. Yeah, been up and down like crazy, man. Yeah. And these are insane spikes as well. You get caught off on the wrong side of them, you're blowing your account. Your funding account anyway. If you over risk, that is. So re-grabbing the 5 highs now here, which is nice. Again, you can see this 5 minute close. If we grab the highs and close either bearish or doji, fantastic. You can start looking at some sells for that 30 to reflip bearish. If we close bullish above the high, it will wait. Yeah, spike's crazy. Yeah, you just need to reduce your size, yeah. Just got to reduce the risk. Why the like count so low? Yeah, you tell him, man. You tell him. Get them up. Get them likes fired up. You tell him, man. Yeah, then we get ruined. Yeah, that's it, man. It's always good to sometimes sit on the sidelines and watch it when it's going that crazy. You don't always have to be in it. Now this is looking a bit nicer here on gold. This is looking a bit nicer. See how this 5's going to close. Start getting back below here, the 15 and 30 will start to flip bearish. $1,000. Each person likes the stream. Hey, not my words. Your words, not mine. I can't see anything, man. Where's my money? Not me. I ain't got your money, man. Next 5 minutes to give an instant top wick, sell it, risk off this high, and see if you can get this pullback. Even if you don't rip these lows, I think even just a pullback here, you're probably talking 20, 30 ticks. You're looking for a top wick into here. You're risking about 20. 30, 40, 50 dollars there. Let's see, 10 seconds. I'll see if I can get some personal. The spreads are a bit high though. Let's see, instant top wick. Goldie, please. No. Hello. A bit better. Come up a little bit more. I'm gonna look for a sell here on gold. A little bit more. Come up a little bit more here. I'm going to see if we get the sell on gold in a second. Yeah, if we re-break this current 5 low, I'm going to see if we can get these sells. Where are we? Let's see if I can get this up in time. Where are we? On the futures, I'm looking around 70.2. 70.2 on the futures. Yeah, 70.2. Oh, no, there you go. We broke the highest now. Okay, let me cancel. Cancel. Nah, we broke the highs there. No sell stop. I mean, maybe, but I'll wait for this 15 close now. No sell stop there in gold just yet. I just cancelled it. The 15, the 5 on the futures didn't have a bottom wick either, which is actually kind of nice. But we'll wait for this 15 to close now. Wait for that 15 to close. Yeah, because for the 5 minute had no bottom wick on the futures. I was like, oh cool, we could actually flip and have a nice drive here. 15 looks like you actually may re-grab some 15-minute highs. So depending on how this 15-minute opens, you may re-grab some highs. The more this pushes up as well, remember this hourly could be leaving one big massive bottom wick. And remember that 4 hour doesn't have a top wick either. So these areas are really make or break here. Yeah, 15 is almost creating like a little double top around here. Look at this on the 15. Around these little highs. What do you have up in them little highs? 20 ticks? If you get a bottom wick, you got about 20 ticks up into there. Allowed to trade gold due to CME rule. I don't know what that is, man. No idea. Nah, nothing yet. Say, man. Tried to sell stop in there, but just cancelled it. Nothing yet. I'm not on Top Step Discord, man. Let's have a look, Carl. Let's have a look, man. Easy. Easy. 10K is easy. I mean, I just put an order on gold. It worked complete fine. Yep. In your dreams, Carl. Yeah, you tell him, Mikey, as well. Get them in there. 5 minutes still throwing some pretty nice rejections here, though. 15 did close bullish. Instant bottom wick. I'd love to see them some 15 highs grabbed. Some pretty decent 5-minute rejections there. Some very decent rejections. Astrologer. Let's see. If we, like I say, if we start grabbing them previous 15 highs and breaking back below, you could have some sells. You could have some sells, but I would love to see these highs grabbed. Kind of got like 3 equal highs. You got some equal lows down here as well. 40, let's see. Remember, the 15-minute Audi's going to close soon as well. Remember, it's starting to leave a pretty steep rejection. Steep rejection. Two minutes here on Goldie. Let's see. Large volume, yeah, huge volume, huge volume. Big volume today. I mean, it's 5 minutes rejecting this level pretty hard. It's a shame we didn't grab the highs. What's my fills at 3? I'm not sure what the fills about. I feel like the fills should be pretty good on top step today. Coming down, about to grab some 5-minute lows maybe. Yeah, they're now coming down. I mean, unless we just start, aggressively closing below, then sure. 15's trying to come back down. Just grab some 5-minute lows there on gold. 30 seconds. 30 seconds. InQ is effective but not sure about gold. If you're not sure about gold, why did you say you're going to lose your account? That was a stupid thing to say. If you don't know that, why would you say something stupid like that? Minute coming back down here on gold. No real top weakness. I still believe you're gonna. If you can see this 15, it's kind of risky because you've been pushed down so much there. But if this 15 can flip bullish, which is that high anyway, could you be looking for a 30 tick retracement into these areas? Yeah, I reckon. And if we can flip bullish, you could look for here. Somewhere around there. Let me put it on here. Pushing down here. To get my attention, you bought. No, I read your stupid comments. I just don't reply to stupidity. You're a typical emotional trader who's probably blown his account today. Now you're trying to say, I'm going to lose my account. He's definitely just blown his account. Like, nah, you're going to lose your account. Nah. Told you. Told you so. 15 come back down here on gold. So 15, regrabbing the lows there on the 15. No top wick on his 5. It's a shame we didn't grab them little highs. Haven't traded it, yeah, sure you haven't. That's what they all say. He's the one with the problem. You're an idiot. See you later. Bye. I'm the one with the problem after he said I'm going to lose my account. Yeah, 100%. 15 does have 15's now got 3 equal highs. Currently grabbing previous 15 lows with no real top wick in this current 5. Simbin, yeah, 30 minutes. He can come back in 30 and think about what he's done. Look at this. Look at this 15. 15's grabbing the lows. Is it going to close below and we're going to continue pushing down, or is this going to be a liquidity grab to retrace? Yeah. Starting to buy here. Well, look at this 5. You know, if this 5 can flip, you know, this could be good. This could be good. We'll wait for it to close. It's only 1 minute away. May as well wait for it to close. Look at that. It's 40 ticks. It's a 40 tick wick in that candle. You'll be very careful in here. Yeah, 7 minutes. Yeah. I mean, the 30 is also trying to flip bearish as well, which is our overall thought process, to come down and re-grab these lows. It's a shame you never grab these 15 highs. But that could possibly come in the next top wick of the hourly to then re-push back down. Oh no. 2.2% FTMO funded accounts, traded the wrong 50, not the 100. Oh man. That's still good, man. Still good. Still good, man. 30 trying to reflip back bearish here now as well. Unless you get a decent top wick in this 5, we can look for the sells into the 30 close, but let's see. That's a nice 5-minute close now. It's kind of what we wanted. Shame we didn't grab these highs, but it is what it is. You did grab some 5-minute highs and held it. And now the 30 is starting to flip. Flip bearish, looking like you're going to re-grab the 30 lows, which is down here. Look at the 30. Top wiggin, re-flipping bearish. See if you get that push. See if you get that push. Let's see, we're going to get an instant top wick here? No. Yeah, 15's coming down here. Yeah, wait for the close now, nothing I can do here. Thing is, the 30 does still have a long way to come down. 30, like I say, 30 could still come all the way back down into here. I'm gonna get rid of this now. Not interested in that anymore. You could easily see that 30 tap into these levels and actually probably grab these lows a little bit more. Yeah, it'll be recorded, man. Yep, absolutely. Absolutely, man. Absolutely. I mean, now you have a top wick, so if you re-break the lows again, same again as before. If you re-break these lows, could you be in for a push down? What's that? 50 ticks. We managed before that. We see if you can continue pushing off. I'm not nothing just yet. Reacting, not predicting. Absolutely, man. That's it. Reacting, not predicting. Absolutely. I might put a sell stop here in a second. Not yet. If we start to reject, taking a sell on the break of that low to overall push down into that 30 close could be nice. But if it doesn't re-break the lows and it just closes bullish, then it closes bullish. You just cancel it. How long? 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Because on the break of these lows, you know, to even at least come down and re-grab them, but you're talking 26, then you're very likely also to come all the way back down into here. But if you don't do it in this current 5, you'd want to see the hourly create a bit more of a top wick. So if we start to reject on the futures, we're looking around 66.3. 66.3. Yeah, nah, I don't look at session opens or anything like that, man. It doesn't really change the price. It might give a little bit more volume, but it doesn't actually really change the directional price action. 5 minute close in bullish, so no, wouldn't be putting any sells on that just yet. Not yet, not yet. Beware London Open. Nah, don't beware London. Why would you be wary of London Open? London Open's what you want. I've never seen London Open with an insane amount of untradable volume. It's more so just the price action, to be honest. 15's grabbing the lows, holding it now. Now look at that 15. Look at that all of a sudden. Grabbing the lows, holding this support. 30 minutes still hasn't re-grabbed these little equal lows here. Hourly is still about to close bearish below the previous low in 40 seconds. So you're gonna at least regrab them lows. You may get an hourly top wick, then to re-break the lows, then the hourly top wick could be what would grab these 15-minute highs finally. Let's see. 25 seconds. You can honestly see it going any way. That was Friday's trade. Anyone who didn't catch Friday's stream, I recapped the trade we took into a trade breakdown yesterday. Let's see, 15's coming down for a bottom wick. You got 3 15-minute equal highs. Maybe we'll consult. Yeah, it'll very likely just go sideways. Yeah, it's already had a huge push down today. It's very likely just going to create a big range. That doesn't mean you can't trade it. These ranges are huge. This is a 100 tick range. Yeah, it's very likely just going to range. But it's a worthwhile range. 15 coming back up here. Nah, session highs and lows. Nah, I'd never even look at it. Trying to come back down here. I really want to take these longs into these highs, but it's just kind of risky because on the 5 minutes, you know, it's just you got resistance there, you got support here. I can't really buy into a 15 high, but you got 5-minute resistance right there that's been holding very, very well. Very well. Look how strong it's been held. Alright, great. Let me grab a drink. I'll be 2 seconds, guys. Well, follow me. How's the UK treat me? Yeah, it's nice, man. It's nice to be back on normal time zone, but weather-wise, not very nice. And it's a little bit sunnier today, but it's still, yeah, it's certainly not warm. Yeah, the only nice thing about being here is just the time zone, man. Taut very soon, man. Very soon. Very soon. Grabbing the highs here. You re-break them previous 5 lows, you may see gold push lower. From there, what would that give you? Down into here, about 26 ticks. About 26 ticks. It's got 1 minute. I'm gonna wait for it to close. It's got 1 minute. I'm just gonna wait for it to close. It's also the grab of the previous 15 lows as well. Nothing but sun here in France. Yeah, I'm jealous, man. How do you you can don't have to message me here, Greg, but how did you get to stay in France? Did you have like you on like a tourist visa or something? Man, if I could move to Europe, I'd tell you what, I bloody would. A long time tourist visa, easy to get. How long does it last? About like a year, 2 years? 12 months, yeah, 12 months, nice, yeah. Let's see how far it's going to close it, guys. Look at that. If you took the break that low, you're instant rejecting 15, 18 ticks. Crazy. So 5 minutes about to close, grabbing the lows, grabbing the highs, just close them within the body of the previous. Not really telling us too much, to be honest. Yeah, and does that mean you have to you can only stay in France for them to hold, or you can go around other places in Europe, or I assume it's just France. There's a gross 5 minute close there, guys.
Wouldn't that be like the Schengen travel zone? So it wouldn't matter.
For all of EU. Because I was having a look at a Norwegian one yesterday. That lasts about 2 years. But I don't think it's easy to get. Facecam stopped? Oh no. Oh no. There you go. Yeah, well, I saw there is a tour, a digital nomad one where you just need to make, like, I think it's like 35,000 euros a year or something, which is, that's pretty cool. You can stay there for like 2 years. Yeah, it's pretty cool, man. Yeah, it's a joke, Sean. Brexit was the worst idea ever. Worst idea ever. Seen the welcome home we put on for you. Everyone else celebrating, I know, man. Come on, Goldie, what are you up to? What are you up to? 15 minutes telling me something completely different to what we're seeing here. Five trying to flip bearish. If it wasn't for the 15, I would take this 5 flip into these lows. Just this 15, the amount of highs that are ungrabbed is crazy. If it wasn't for the 15, I'd be looking at something like this. But the 15 high to me just shows that we need to spike out some highs before potentially seeing that. Like here, look at this 15. Well, you're grabbing 15 lows holding support. You haven't grabbed any 15 highs. So even if we are going to see these lows be grabbed down here, well, could we see something like this first? Also, just don't see a buying opportunity for that just yet either. Unless we get back above, you know, maybe like these little ugly areas. You can consider it. What time is it? 10 past 8. You've kind of got liquidity up here, liquidity down here, and you're just right now, just unfortunately just right in the middle. I favour longs, but what I favour and what the market wants is two complete different things. Unless you get strong 5-minute breakout and a bottom wick, amazing, we'll go long. Until then, we have to let the market show us which way it wants to go. I mean, this 5-minute close isn't looking too bad if it closes a little bit stronger. Because the 15 is trying to flip here. Once you get above here, that's when the 15 starts to turn bullish. Yeah, price information, yeah, too much information. No bottom wick. If it comes down a little bit more, I will consider taking the break higher because the futures has no top wick, which is quite nice. I wouldn't mind it to come down a little bit more though. You can take the break of the high. See if you can get that flip. On the futures, I don't know what the fields are going to be like, but on the futures you're looking around. Yeah, I'm putting in the futures at around 70.1. 70.1 on the futures. If this 5 can reflip back bullish, I'm going to see if you can have a drive into these 15 highs, because this 15 is looking quite nice to me. So I just got tagged in on this futures around here. Seeing if we can get this drive much higher. And manage risk below previous 5-minute lows. 15's now flipping bullish as well. I want to see this drive. I got a great fill there. I got filled at 24.70. Let me just put in my stop. Almost up about 10 ticks here already. Yeah, about $200, 2 contracts here on gold. Could actually probably even manage below previous 5 lows in a second. This is the last 5 of the 15 though, so I do want this 5 to drive. If this 5 doesn't drive, then we're going to have to survive the next bottom wick of the 15 as well. So if it comes back down to entry, I'll look to manage. Because we are going to get that next 15 bottom wick. Hit like 10 ticks as well. It's not worth securing. I want to see if you can drive this much more, but I am wary that that next 15 could give a steeper bottom wick. If we come back down to my entry, I'll probably close. Let's see. I'm putting my stop loss current 5 low just in case anything crazy happens. Not that I think it will, but okay, we'll get ready to close here in a second. Don't do it, Cody. Don't do it. Yeah, cool. I'm out. I closed. I just closed there at break even. We just grabbed these little 5-minute highs, failing to close above yet. And I think that 15 could give us a bit of a better bottom wick. I wanted to see if we could get a quick little snipe there, but yeah, I just closed at break even. We came up, they came all the way back down, and now you're coming back up again. The ranges are too big for me to hold them open. And too big for me to want to try and survive that 15 bottom wick. Let me just send it into Discord. We'll get a re-entry once the 15 gives a bottom wick, because it's actually looking quite nice now. After hitting 10 ticks. Yeah, I saw about 10 there. But my target is much higher. Much higher. Please, what is the minimum size a live account with NT8? I have no idea what you even just said to me just now. I have absolutely no idea what that is. Good work, good luck, lads. Yeah, all good, man. See you tomorrow, man. We'll be back on tomorrow. Let's see. Look at this 15 here on gold. So 15 is grabbing the lows, closing bullish. This is why I want to get the drive up into here. But I think this next 15 is probably going to give us a bottom wick to get back in. I'm aggressive with the break even because the ranges are so big. Still very much valid. I just want a bit of a better entry. So 15 close and 8 seconds hit. Yeah, nice bullish 15 close. We got 5, already just hitting like 20 ticks there, look at that. That's a shame. Alright guys, give me 2 seconds. 2 seconds. Well, there's that gold retracement that we said. Pushed up exactly as we said. Wait, where are we? Whoa. So unfortunate not to hold that, but yeah, we hit like 50 ticks there. Here's what it is. 50 ticks. Currently grabbing previous 30 highs as well. Ticks, look at that. Nah, I'm thinking about it. Maybe if there's anything worthwhile, but probably not if it's just gonna. If there's any setups, yeah, it might jump on, but I don't want to. I was hoping there'd be some news to be worthwhile, but yeah, we'll see, man. Nothing really planned too much just yet. There you go. So then ended up hitting that full TP area, 60 ticks. It's pretty annoying, but it's what it is. Yeah, it's probably gonna be my London, to be honest. Well, I'll still watch it for a little longer, but it's probably gonna be my London. I'm not gonna try and take a trade after missing a 60 tick move. 60 ticks in 10 minutes. Crazy. What a beautiful call as well. Such a nice call. Such a shame that Goldie wouldn't be good to us. Had to come up, create a top wick. No, came up to create a bottom wick, then a top wick, then back down again, back up again. No real bottom wick on this 15. Hourly. So here's the 15. 15 grab lows, close bullish. Be like I say, if we got bottom wick on that 15, we'd be in it, but no bottom wick, just open and just push the higher. 30-minute. Holding support, regrabbing 30-minute highs. Hourly. Bounced off that support, like we said. Even if we think we're going to grab these lows, it's a strong enough area, you can still see that 100 potential tick push, which is exactly what we saw. Exactly what we saw. So if we want the sells on gold to come down and grab them lows later on, all we want to see is price get back below there. Once you get back below there, then you still got a 80 to 200 tick move. Got 25 ticks. Yeah, nice man. Yep. Yeah, I got it's just literally just I closed at break even once it hit like around 10 ticks, then came all the way back down. I closed at break even. I was gonna wait for a 15 bottom wick, but then the 15 just opened and just pushed up. For a 60 tick move, shouldn't the stop have been 20 ticks? Stop loss has nothing to do with take profits, man. Stop loss is based off price action. It's nothing to do with how big a TP would be. There's absolutely nothing to do with it. How much do I monthly on average? Absolutely none of your business, to be honest, man. There's absolutely nothing to do with you. Yeah, very quick, man. Very, very quick. Would have hit like 60 ticks in 10 minutes. And I wanted to see if we could actually hold this up into at least these highs. We would have been talking like 40. But it is what it is. Some of these questions, I know, ridiculous, man. Ridiculous. Trying to deal with moving a 60 tick trade. Like, oh, if I can answer questions like that. Yeah, Lambo when? They're the ones. They're the only real questions we should be asking here. When Lambo, sir? Look at this 15 just booming. Just booming here. We've got nothing we can really do here. No bottom weakness 15 is literally nothing we can do. One Lambo or two? Two. Easy. Easy. Got 16 ticks. Nice, 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 nice. Lambo no Bugatti. If you focus on how much you earn, you're never going to focus on the process of trading. Don't focus on how much money you can make. Focus on getting good at trading. It's quite simple to work out how much you could earn. Well, if you bought gold here and you sold gold up here, you would have made 130 ticks. You trade one contract, $10 per tick. Working out how much money you can make is pretty simple. One blue and one gold. Absolutely. Lambo today for sure. So yeah, all we can really kind of wait for now here on gold is just the 15 to close. There's no bottom wick on this 15, so there's not really anything we can do. You could maybe come up into these regions again. So if you get bottom wick on the next 15, you may still have buys up into there. But we have to wait for this 15 to close now. Like I say, with no bottom wick on that 15, there's nothing you can do other than wait for it to close. Because there's no bottom wick on the 15 means at any point it could have been created. It's not going to get created now. But at any point it could have been created as soon as you grab these highs. There we go. See, this 30 is about to close very strong as well. So like we said, we held that 30 support and we ripped higher. So where's now 30 resistance? Well, probably all the way back up here. Here, back up here. And by the looks of this, I think you're just going to continue pushing higher. Remember I said that about that 4 hour earlier. This 4 hour flips bullish, you're going to have a big drive on gold. Big drive. Big drive. But 2 minutes, 30's going to close in 2 minutes here as well. Let's see. If we get bottom wicks, you can continue buying gold. It's on a big push now, a big push. Yeah, 15 bottom wick could have been a hard stop. Yeah, I guess. Yeah. Yeah, a tiny one, yeah. Still, even that small, I still wouldn't take buys. Even on this, even if it had like a little tiny one, it's still, you know, we want to see normal ones. So even on the currency, see, look at that, that's not enough for me to want to take it long. Yeah, yeah, technically it does have a very little one. Oh, yeah, this is absolutely ridiculous. 120 tick move. That's so annoying. So yeah, you just need to see if this 15 is going to open with the bottom wick and see if you can take the take some more longs. It's going to be a strong area up here, a very strong area. Let's see, 30 seconds here on gold. Uh, 15, you did just get a little bit of a bottom wick there. But I'm not taking that. There's nowhere to manage. No, there's nowhere to manage risk. Unless we get a decent one and we start re-breaking some highs, then yeah, you can consider it. We're just going to instantly re-grab the highs by the looks of it. It looks like it. Yep. About to just instantly re-grab the highs. Yeah, cool. Alright guys, I'm going to leave it there. That's my trade. I've missed like a 60 tick move in 10 minutes. If I just sit on it, I'm just going to take a trade for the sake of it. There's going to be no setup in here. There's no, you buy from here, well where's your stop loss going to go? There's no stop loss. You need at least like another half an hour to an hour's worth of price action here. So rather than just waiting for that, I'd rather just take a step away from the charts, come back in like an hour, and see if we get something different. It was a beautiful call. Well, unfortunate to get us a break even, but yeah, it is what it is. So you guys on Zoom, I'll update in Discord in about maybe like an hour and a half, 2 hours once we get a little bit more price action. But don't watch this now. It's had a great move up now. It's just going to need to go sideways and create more liquidity. So we need more price action and we need to wait for this hourly close. So wait for this hourly close and then we'll see what is what once we get closer to that. So yeah, no worries guys. I'll talk to you guys soon. Good session. Cheers guys. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye. Alright, YouTube fam, I'm going to wrap up there on Goldie. We called that whole move up beautifully. However, it literally just got us a break even before having the big push. And if I sit here and continue to watch it, I'm going to take a stupid trade. That was my trade. That was the trade I wanted. Unfortunate to get us a break even, but it is what it is. So I'm going to leave it now for like at least, like I say, at least an hour's worth of price action. And then, you know, come back in about an hour and see what's what then. So I appreciate you guys taking time to tune in. Good session today. And we'll be back again same time tomorrow, 7 to 9 a.m. London time. I'll see you guys there. Have a good day. Trade safe. I'll see you next time. Peace.